Imagine heading deep into the wilderness with everything you need for living, sleeping, and traveling packed into a vehicle that is smaller than most compact cars. What you're looking at is an extraordinary camper trike known as the roaming trike, a unique blend of bicycle engineering and tiny home design. At first glance, it almost looks like a miniature RV mounted on a three-wheel bicycle platform. The concept combines human-powered transportation with the comfort and practicality of a micro-camper, creating a fascinating solution for adventure travel, off-grid exploration, and minimalist living. The front section is built around a recumbent tricycle design. Unlike a traditional bicycle where the rider sits upright, the rider here is positioned in a reclined seating arrangement. This design reduces fatigue during long rides, improves comfort, and provides a lower center of gravity for better stability. The large front wheel handles steering duties, while the two rear wheels support the weight of the camper body. Sitting in a laid-back position allows the rider to pedal efficiently while enjoying a relaxed driving experience. One of the first things that stands out is the aluminum camper shell mounted on the rear chassis. The curved body resembles classic vintage travel trailers from decades ago. Its shiny metallic exterior not only looks stylish but also helps resist weather and corrosion. The camper body is carefully designed to maximize interior space while keeping overall weight as low as possible. Weight management is critical because every extra kilogram affects pedaling efficiency and handling. Looking closer, you'll notice the extended overhang above the rider's seating area. This clever feature provides protection from rain and direct sunlight while also increasing the available interior sleeping space. The front over-cab section can often be used as storage or sleeping accommodation depending on the layout. Similar designs are commonly seen on larger motorhomes, but seeing it integrated into a pedal-powered trike makes the vehicle particularly impressive. The side-mounted awning adds another layer of practicality. When parked at a campsite, the awning can be extended outward to create a shaded outdoor living area. This allows the traveler to sit outside, cook meals, relax, or enjoy nature while remaining protected from intense sunlight or light rain. Small details like this transform the vehicle from simple transportation into a genuine mobile home. On top of the camper, there is a roof rack carrying storage equipment and gear. The large cargo box mounted on the roof provides additional space for clothing, camping supplies, tools, spare parts, and food. Since interior space is limited, utilizing the roof is an effective way to increase storage capacity without sacrificing living space inside. Roof racks also allow travelers to carry bulky items that would otherwise be difficult to fit within the cabin. You can also see a solar panel installed on the roof. This is one of the most important modern additions for off-grid travel. Solar panels can charge batteries throughout the day, providing electricity for interior lighting, device charging, ventilation fans, GPS equipment, and other small appliances. By generating power from sunlight, the traveler becomes less dependent on external charging stations and can remain self-sufficient for extended periods. The side window serves several purposes. It provides natural light during the daytime, improves ventilation, and helps the interior feel larger than it actually is. In tiny living spaces, access to daylight is extremely important because it prevents the cabin from feeling cramped or enclosed. Proper airflow is equally important for comfort, especially during warm weather conditions. At the rear of the camper, a full-height entry door allows access to the living area. Despite the vehicle's compact dimensions, designers often manage to include surprising functionality inside. Depending on the specific layout, the interior may feature a sleeping platform, storage compartments, foldable seating, cooking equipment, shelves, and battery systems. Every square inch must serve multiple purposes, which is a hallmark of successful tiny home design. The choice of a three-wheel configuration is especially important. Three wheels provide greater stability than a traditional bicycle when carrying heavy loads. A camper body adds significant weight and raises the center of gravity, so the wider rear track helps maintain balance. This stability becomes particularly valuable when traveling on uneven roads, gravel paths, or campground terrain like the forest road shown in the image. The environment surrounding the vehicle tells an important part of the story. The trike is parked on a gravel road deep within a dense forest. This setting highlights one of the biggest advantages of such a camper: freedom. Unlike conventional RVs that require fuel, parking spaces, and larger roads, a pedal-powered camper can access quieter locations and create a more intimate connection with nature. Travelers can move at a slower pace, appreciate scenic landscapes, and experience a style of travel focused on exploration rather than speed. The rider appears comfortable and relaxed in the driving position. This reflects one of the major goals behind recumbent vehicle design. The ergonomic seating arrangement reduces strain on the back, neck, wrists, and shoulders. Long-distance cycling becomes more enjoyable because the body weight is distributed across a larger seating area rather than concentrated on a narrow bicycle saddle. Another fascinating aspect of vehicles like this is sustainability. Traditional RVs consume fuel and produce emissions, while a pedal-powered camper relies primarily on human energy. Some modern versions may include electric assist systems to help with hills and longer journeys. When combined with solar charging, these systems create an environmentally friendly travel solution that dramatically reduces operating costs and environmental impact. The vintage-inspired camper shell contributes significantly to the vehicle's charm. Many travelers appreciate the nostalgic appearance because it evokes memories of classic road trips and old-fashioned adventure travel. Combining retro aesthetics with modern solar technology and bicycle engineering creates a unique blend of old and new design philosophies. Living in such a compact space requires thoughtful organization. Travelers often adopt a minimalist lifestyle, carrying only essential possessions. This encourages efficiency and simplicity. Every item must justify the space it occupies. As a result, owners often report feeling less burdened by material possessions and more focused on experiences, exploration, and personal freedom. From an engineering perspective, building a vehicle like this involves solving numerous challenges. Designers must carefully balance weight, aerodynamics, structural strength, comfort, and practicality. The frame must support the camper while remaining light enough for human-powered transportation. The suspension, wheel selection, and braking systems must also be capable of handling the additional load safely. What makes the roaming Trike truly remarkable is that it challenges conventional ideas about travel and housing. It demonstrates that a functional living space does not need to be large or expensive. By combining transportation and accommodation into one compact unit, it offers a glimpse into alternative lifestyles focused on mobility, sustainability, and independence. Whether viewed as an engineering project, a tiny home, a bicycle camper, or an adventure vehicle, this remarkable Trike captures attention wherever it goes. It represents creativity, self-reliance, and the desire to explore the world in a slower, more meaningful way. For travelers seeking freedom from traditional transportation and accommodation costs, vehicles like this showcase how innovation can transform even a simple bicycle into a fully functional home on wheels.